Hey guys, what's going on? Thought I'd talk about one of the most popular aspects of thetatraders.com, which is the 0 DTE SPX daily trades. They come out at the same time every day around 10 a.m. Eastern time, and you can get access to them from right here. If you go down to the quarterly subscription, right here you can see 0 DTE SPX alerts. Those are included in quarterly subscription, which is only $197 per month, and you get those daily trades 10 a.m. Eastern time every single day. And there are different types of trades, and I'm going to show you what today's trade was like and what a couple of the previous trades were like as well. So before we get started, just wanted to let you know that in the description below you can get a link to how to learn how to do some of these types of sell side trades, like how to learn how to win 90% of your trades. And just basically, it's a free course. Put in your email address, it'll send you out the information you need to learn how to do credit spreads, debit spreads, iron condors, all from Lance that runs thetatraders.com as well. So this is a really good resource. I've seen courses like this sell for hundreds if not thousands of dollars, completely free if you just sign up at the link in the description below. So definitely check that out. So Thetatraders is it's a very sophisticated and evolved Discord. There's lots of different channels, as you can see here. We're just going to be talking about the 0 DTE SPX channel, so it's very clean. You can see the Theta Trader, which is Lance, posts every day at the same time. This is Central Time, so it's when it says 8:59. What it really means is 9:59, so Eastern Time. So these are all Central Times. So you can see that these last 2 days, yesterday and today, were posted within 2 minutes of each other at 10 o'clock or close to 10 o'clock Eastern Time. So Lance mixes up. Sometimes he uses call credit spreads, put credit spreads. Today and yesterday he did an iron condor. And part of the thought process behind that is VIX was quite low, so it was only in the 15s. And the iron condor option strategy is probably one of the best ways for an options trader to profit from an insignificant move in the price of an underlying asset. So in this case, it's always SPX. So it's the same ticker, the same time every day, and it's a similar strategy. It's not exactly the same, but they're all much of a likeness, as you'll see in a minute when I show you the chart. So you get the recommendation, you get the date, obviously today was 224. SPX, the current SPX value while he's giving out the alert. IC is for Iron Condor. And then he gives you just spells out what to do. So in this case, it was sell the 5930 put, buy the 5920 put. So that's one half of the trade. And then the other half is the call side, which is sell the 67 calls and buy the 6080 calls. And this is all 0 DTE, so you don't have to worry about the expiration date on any of these. These trades have a 90% chance of winning. So these are high probability trades, and you'll see why in a second. And so the idea is pretty simple. This was a premium received, so you get this premium that comes in, 0.45. And if the trade works out, basically you collect that whole premium, and you win the trade. How does the trade win exactly? Well, here is it marked up for you in TradingView. So you can think of this as two strangles almost. So you have bought and sold puts down here and bought and sold calls up here. And as long as SPX stays within these two spreads or strangles or lines or whatever you'd like to call them, then you're good to go, and you'll get, as long as they expire worthless, then you'll end up getting that full premium, and it'll be a fully winning trade. So you can think of this as a bull put spread down the bottom here and a bear call spread. So the green is a bought put and the red is a sold put. So sometimes the trade will just be this. This would be anticipating the market staying the same or going up. And sometimes the trade will just be this, with the idea that the market is likely to either stay the same or go down. An iron condor combines the two of them and gives you that extra profits. So it's a bit like a strangle and two spreads, a bear call spread and a bull put spread put together. I'm not an expert in these types of trades. I've traded them a bit, but Lance is an absolute expert on this. So he figured that we were pretty much going to go sideways today on SPX, which we did, and that doing an iron condor would be the best way to maximize profits. And that's exactly what happened. These calls and puts expired worthless, and we made full premium on this trade. And so it's very well done. It's very easy to follow. There's even questions on it as well. There's a channel dedicated to just the questions on these trades. Because like I said, in Theta Traders, there's a lot of different stuff going on. But a lot of people join just for the daily SPX, one ticker trades, same time every day, and go from there. So hopefully that's helpful. Hopefully it gives you a little bit of insight into what the 0DTE SPX trades are all about. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll leave my email in the description below. Make sure you go and sign up for the quarterly subscription. It's every 3 months. It's only $197. And you also get some put credit spread alerts in there as well, along with some Zoom calls and strategy guides and things as well. Definitely worth the price. Definitely check it out. And I'll talk to you guys soon.